The Root Quencher Spike is a device that connects directly to drip irrigation lines. It's self-piercing. It acts as a stake to hold down the drip irrigation and also has flow controls so that you can regulate the amount of water that's focused on each plant in your drip grid. The Root Quencher Spike is also fantastic for potted plants with our 90-degree fitting that comes with your purchase. So the perfect scenario here is that you've got a nice drip line that's feeding everything. You're going to put the spike in strategically here for this little guy, and then you're going to put one in. I mean, this alyssum honestly doesn't need a lot of water, so conceptually the drip line should be enough. Although I will tell you right now, it is not thriving like I want it to. So I'm going to go ahead and put in one there. I'm going to put in, let's say I'm going to put one in here. And you can really just push down on it. I like to kind of pull up the line and then put it back down. So that's going to give us some extra water. This alyssum's going to grow up and cover all that, but that's how we control it. And we don't need a lot of extra water, but the nice thing is we don't need this anymore. The Root Quencher Spike water flow adjustment. Good for potted plants.